Well, hello guys, Josh Babb here with Wild Outdoors. It's been a while since I've been out to the woods. It's been, at least in a video, it's been almost, I guess since August. I tried filming one in the fall, hike with my cousin, but that didn't really work out. My camera died, so I thought, you know, it's a wonderful early spring day. I thought I'd get the opportunity to film this and show me making a cup of tea in the woods. That would make spice bush tea, so stay tuned and don't go away. Okay guys, so I'm gonna make, like I said, I was gonna make some spice bush tea. So what I'm gonna do is take off my pack here, take off my shoes and socks, so I'm barefoot, and I'm gonna cross the river and get to the spice bush plant. So I'll collect some twigs and yeah, that'll be it. So Mora has these neck knife configurations, and it's really helpful if you do need a neck knife. Like when I was going through the water, because I don't wear a belt most of the time, I was afraid it was going to fall out, so I just clipped it to one of my buttons. And if we look here, this is spice bush. It has all these little dots on it. And if we break off a live branch, yeah, that's spice bush. So we're gonna take, I don't know, just a good healthy limb of a branch off of this, and that will be our tea. I also collected some branches for a pot suspension system for my pot. As you can see, I didn't really get anything really abnormally big, because all I'm doing is boiling a cup of water. I don't need much. I probably have more firewood here than I really actually need. And I didn't even need a Baco for most of that. I just need something quick. And so now I'm gonna go find some tinder. So you may have seen that I've chosen this riverbank. You may be thinking, why not just go on the land? It's a lot easier. Well, the thing is sorry about the wind. It's kind of been dry. I mean, it rained last night, but I kind of want to be extra fire safe. And there's no debris under this. This is all rocks and sand. So if I can just make fire on this, I can just leave it and forget about it. I don't have to worry about catching the woods on fire or trying to put it out. I just keep it close to the riverbank. I may put it here, but I think I'm just going to put it here just because it's quite safe. And put my pot suspension here. I haven't used this thing in quite some time, so I am a bit rusty. But basically, I have some charred punk wood in here. I'm going to take off my knife. Whoop. So it doesn't get in the way. Find the sharpest edge. Now this did come from a river, so it's kind of hard to find. this on. Like I said, I was kind of rusty. I've got fire established pretty much. You can see it's burning fine just by adding just little stuff. I burnt my finger there on the ember when I got it started. I promise you I did use that flint and steel. I just have limited battery life, so I can't film it all. So, as you can see, we have our fire established. And what we need to do now is just put some water on the boil. And I got this Snow Peak kettle #1. I've only used it like once or twice. And it looks like the bail handle. Huh, that's hilarious. I made the whole pot suspension system because it had a bail handle on it, and the bail handle is missing. If you guys want a reliable pot, maybe the Snow Peak is not for you. Maybe it's in my bag, but I have my doubts. Oh, what do you know? It's right there. Ta-da! So yep, we'll be using that pot suspension system. And let's see. So to set it up, all we need to do is take our Y, plant this thing in the ground. Our other stick is going to be over here, and our little guy is going to be the one to balance it, but I need to make this thing a whole lot shorter. I'm just manhandling the wood right now. Small enough to break off and get in there. So it needs another piece. Now these small fires, they do burn hot and they do burn fast. So I could probably do that, but just to be safe, I'm just gonna manhandle, put this thing in the ground. That should work. So we're going to take our spice bush and our kettle and our knife, and if you have soot, I just blow it out. And I'm not sure if the buds are edible, so I'm going to pick those off. They're probably the most flavorful part of the tea and would probably do well, but I'm just going to take my knife. It's like a forge blower on the thing. Just cut off little pieces and put it in the bin. So windy. Not gonna make it. Just kidding, we'll make it. I'm just wondering if my fire's gonna make it. I only have a few more pieces of wood. Take that. Okay guys, as you can see here, I brought a mug since I don't have a Cusca yet. It's made by this guy, some potter that came out here years ago. Oh, I didn't get that in shot. There we go. And that will hold our tea for today. So, should do a good job. Down here. Now I gotta figure out a way to pour in my teacup mug of some sorts. Oh, the handles are cool. Never mind. Just gotta make mug of Joe right there. And it tastes like spice bush.